Hello everyone, today we are going to be deriving a zero order reaction according to chemical kinetics. We know from the definition rate R is equals to constant K against the constitution of A raised to a given reaction order, which is also equivalent to negative change in concentration of A over change in concentration of time. In a zero order reaction, the value of m will be equal to 0. Therefore, K, which is a constant, concentration of A, and m, which is 0, is equals to change in the concentration of A over change in the concentration of time t. In mathematics, any number raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. Therefore, this is equal to 1. So K will be change in the concentration of A over change in time. Now we put time and concentration of A on different sections of the equation. Therefore, K dt is equals to negative change in concentration of A. So because in deriving zero order reactions, we define the integrals, will involve a bit of calculus here. So we find the integral of this as time changes from 0 to final time t, and concentration of A changes from A initial to A final. So the integral of a constant will always be K. And just a side note here, the integral of dx or the integral of dt, they will always be x, will always be t. Therefore, the integral of this value, k dt, will be t. Hope you understood. Which is equal to negative, the integral of A will be A according to all this. The integral of A will be A as it ranges from A initial to A final. Do not forget the negative value here. Therefore, KT will be negative of A minus A initial. Opening the brackets, KT is equals to negative A plus A naught. We want our A to be on one side of the equal sign and the other values to be on the other side of equal sign, so that we can find a simpler way of writing the whole reaction, the whole zero order reaction. Therefore, putting A on one side, A is equals to A naught. Do not forget to put the brackets which symbolize the concentration of reaction, which is equals to A naught minus KT. Now, when you write it in this form, it's written in the form Y is equals to mx plus C. So on plotting your graph, it becomes simpler, where you put your graph, the Y value and the X value. So X is time and Y value is A. Because we get this, KT is the mx and C is the A naught. Therefore, because of the negative value, our slope will be a negative graph, where the value of the y-intercept at concentration A is equals to A naught, and the slope of the graph will be negative K. I hope you understand. So the zero order reaction will be A, concentration of A is equals to concentration of A naught minus KT. Thank you.